Hello, welcome back to STEAM Club at the 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗵𝗺 Library. I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to show you some cool physics. So physics is the study of matter, energy, space and time. See this ball here? When I throw it, that's physics in action. So when a person throws, they've got energy, but the force is the push that I did to throw the ball and turn it into movement. So the arc of the ball won't keep going forever, it'll actually get pulled down by gravity. So to show you physics, we're going to make something called the Archimedes Screw. It looks like this. So I hope you've got all your materials ready and we can make it together. Can you think of a way to make water run uphill? The ancient Greeks discovered how to do this with a device called the Archimedes Screw. They lifted water from one location uphill to another. This invention was so popular and so useful that it's still used today in lots of different machines. You'll build your own hand-powered Archimedes screw from simple items around the house, or you might have had to get something from the hardware store. Okay, so step one, all right, we need to attach this clear tubing to our PVC pipe, okay? We need to ensure that the opening isn't squashed by our sticky tape. So tightly wrap, just see what I'm doing, like hold your thumb and wrap the pipe around. All right, you might need an adult to cut the pipe for you, because it could be dangerous trying to do that. So you grab some strong sticky tape. I'm going to move mine down a bit actually. Strong sticky tape and attach it like that. And then I'm going to cut the end of my tube and I'm going to sticky tape the other end. So it's a little bit tricky for little hands. You might need an adult helper for the taping as well. Voila. Okay, so step two. Fill one container with water, the other container empty. Put a bit of food colouring in. It is very messy. Food colouring gets everywhere. And that way you can see the water going up the tube. That's step two. Okay, step three. We are going to scoop the water up with the open end of our tube, going the same way as the tube is open. And this end of the tube should put water in our other container, our empty container. So let's see if our Archimedes screw works. It's going up. It's pretty exciting. Okay, so as I'm scooping the water into the tube, little pockets of air are forming and the water is pushing into the next pocket of air. So bit by bit, look, we've got water going into our empty container. I hope you had fun making your Archimedes screw. This water pump from the ancient Greeks has got me very interested. If you've made one and you want to share it with us, you can send it to us in Facebook. And if you would like to make next week's science experiment with me, on Monday there'll be a list of materials up on the Facebook page. You can gather them, and then on Tuesday I'll put up a video again of our next science experiment. Thanks a lot.